Welcome to today's video. If you use the Band app on your phone, you might sometimes find the text too small or too large to read comfortably. Thankfully, the Band app includes a built-in feature that allows you to adjust the text size quickly. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, scroll down until you see the option labeled Text Size. Tap on it to continue. Once inside, you will see 5 choices: small, normal, mid-large, large, and extra large. Finally, select the size that suits you best. The text size will update instantly throughout the app, so you can immediately see the difference. By following these steps, you can choose the font size that fits your preference and makes reading much more comfortable.